Have you ever wondered why certain spaces feel different? You come into a room or into a building and you feel not so good. And then you go into another room and immediately you want to sit down and hang out in that area. So why is that?
Let me bring onto the set the incredible, the brilliant Marie Diamond. This is the woman who advises Steven Spielberg and the Rolling Stones on how to bring Feng Shui into their life.
So you already know that your environment is impacting you, right? But you just have not learned the rules and the principles how to redirect the energy. Feng Shui is an energy system. It has principles, it has rules. The powerful men and women in China used Feng Shui. They were aware how their abundance, their power, their fame, their recognition was actually affected by their environment. It's a secret they already have for generations long, even thousands of years.
And these titans who are building these big skyscrapers, they spend millions of dollars to ensure these skyscrapers are Feng Shui compliant.
Yes.
So there is some powerful truth to what's going on here. Otherwise, it wouldn't be so prevalent in these amazing cities like Hong Kong or Singapore or Shanghai.
Everything that's around you, your space, your images, your colors, the way you position yourself, it influences your subconscious mind. And because of that, it will create different thoughts and feelings and actions, and ultimately, it will redirect your destiny. You cannot create harmony if you're self or in chaos.